Hello, everybody. Okay, so I promised to make a video to show you how to make it look more like a newspaper. And, the point of this is really so that you understand the constitutional convention and to make sure that you've got a good idea of it. You can describe it. So that's really the point of this assignment. It's not to make it look perfect like a newspaper. So don't sweat this. The main point is we want to see the information. We want to see that you're able to work with that information. Okay, so this is an opportunity to make it a little bit more spiffy, but you don't have to go to this much trouble to make it work. Okay, but let's go through it anyway, just in case this is what you want to do. Um, Okay, first of all, we're in Google Docs, and I have a blank page pulled up right here. And we want to the template for this is just a table. So we're going to add a 3 by, let's see, how far can we go? Let's go down to like 10. If this is too many, then we can delete them, right? Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need a name for your paper. And it always goes on the top in the headlines, right? So we're going to take all of these cells right here, just highlight through them, just hold down and select all of them. Then we're going to go here to format, and we're going to go down to table, and down at the bottom it says merge cells. Okay, so now we have an area to write the name of our newspaper. So we're going to make sure it centers, so we want it aligned in the center. So you come up here to alignment, click on it, and select center. All right, so we're going to make ours the Daily Star. Okay. And we want to make this as big as we can without it making 2 lines. So let's see how far we can push this. Okay, that's pretty good. We want to make it bold. Okay, that looks good. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can make it even larger. Oh yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. All right. So after that, what typically comes next is the date. And most of the time you'll see the date. It depends on the paper, but sometimes you'll see it in the middle. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put in a date. Now the date that they were done with the Constitutional Convention was September 17, 1787. Okay, that looks nice. We'll put that there. And usually like here, it'll be like a volume number, VOL period 1. And over here, we'll put like an issue number, issue 1. And to make it more symmetrical or balanced, we'll put this on the right-hand side. So it's way over here. Yeah, that looks good. A lot of times what we wind up seeing is this is kind of shaded, maybe. So let's do some shading. Yeah, we'll make this like a very, very light, subtle gray shading. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, so now we have the name, we have our date, and now a lot of times what we'll see is, yet again, the main article of the day is always on the front page. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the main article here now. So, and of course, the Continental Convention being over, and now we have a new government. That's pretty big news. That's definitely front page stuff. So we're going to, again, go to Format, Table, and merge these cells. Okay, and now we are going to center the text, and we're going to put down, now you're going to be writing on the Constitutional Convention. I don't want to do the writing for you here, so I'm going to make mine on a different subject. Let's make it on UFOs attack the Visalia Mall. There we go, Visalia. Okay, now we need to make this bigger. Uh-oh, what just happened? We don't want to do that. So we're going to highlight this, and we're going to bump it up. Not as big as, whoa, that's way too big. Not as big as the other, the Daily Star, because that's the title, right? Okay. There we go. They usually put like an exclamation mark because it's exciting stuff. Okay. So again, we're going to use the Times, New York Times on this, okay? Or Roman Times on this. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, there we go. And maybe we can go a little bigger now. Okay. Okay, so now usually there's a picture. So why don't we add a picture? And we're going to highlight these two cells, come up here to Format, Table, Merge Cells. Okay, now we need to find a UFO. Let's see if we can find some pictures here. Images. And we'll pick one here. Oh, that one looks kind of nice. Okay, so we are going to copy this image and bring it over to our document right here. And we're going to paste it. Paste it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, next to this, we're going to put a byline. Okay. By Phil Gladden. Okay, we're going to make this a little smaller. There we go. And now below this, we are going to put a new, the subtitle for it. How will the mall survive UFOs? Okay, so this is, again, we'll use a exclamation point. Okay, and we're going to make sure we stay in Roman times. Okay, so now we're going to take these three cells, go up to Format, Table, Merge. Okay, and right here, we're going to go to highlight all of them, Format, Table, Merge. Select all of them, Format, Table, and merge. Okay, now you see where we're headed with this? I'm gonna bold this up too. Yeah, there we go. You see where we're headed now? Now, this is where you start putting in your text, okay? This is where you write in, according to Benjamin Franklin, something, something, Continental Convention, something, something, compromise because of the two plans, blah, 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 something, something. And I'm going to put it in there. So you're doing the writing here. So you keep doing your writing on this thing, and there you go. Oh, too much. Okay. Now, when you get to this point, what you're going to have to do is go up. When it goes to the second page, you can just keep typing down this column and go, go, go. But we don't want that. We want to stop when it reaches the end of the page, even if you have to take some of it out. Then you come over here and you start right here, and then you do start typing, adding more, and you keep typing, and you keep typing. Yeah, that looks good right there. Okay, so then when you reach here, it's not going to automatically do this for you. You've got to do it. So you've got to move up here and start typing again until you finish your document. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, so we've got our story written, the article's all done. If you need to go to a second page, okay. Now, the final step is to get rid of all these lines. Oh, one more thing here. With your text in the newspapers, they like to have symmetry or balance. So they will use the justify right here, and that will make all of the print fit exactly. So it's in this nice little column. So you want to do that in both of yours. So this way it will look fuller. Okay, so we can do the same here. There we go. Isn't that nicer? Yeah. So that's the way newspapers do it. Okay, now we're going to take and we're going to select the entire thing again. Now, I don't know why this one will not copy it. I've tried it. I don't know why it doesn't all work, but for some reason, oh, I got it that time. For some reason, I was having trouble with that earlier. Okay, so now you want to come over here to your border width. No. You want the border color. So go to border color, go all the way over here to white, and click on that. And now it looks like a newspaper. Perfect. Okay, guys, that's how to go about doing this if you want to take the time to do that. Like I said, the important part for your grade is going to be what you wrote down here. And that information is going to be found on the worksheet that goes along with this, the one you've been working on that tells you all the information. But in your article, you want to make it about who, what, when, where, and why. Okay, so write your article up based on that. If you want to put a photo in there, I would select something other than a UFO. I hope it helps. Good luck and have a good day.